Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a continuation on my Chanel Holiday Beauty Set unboxing. So on my previous videos, those items that I have purchased are from the boutique. Since these two right here, as you guys can see, I placed this on the Chanel.com website. So both of these were not available at the boutique. So I am happy that I was able to snag these two on the Chanel website, because I know that I think almost all of them were sold out in a matter of an hour, I guess, during the release. Look at that, guys. The wrapping, the packaging, wow, it is absolutely gorgeous. So I think I placed this order this week, and when I went to check out, they gave you the wrapping options. So the first option is the classic option, which is actually presented with a signature black and white box. So you'll get the box and a Chanel logo in it. And also, I am surprised that they also have an option which is actually called the essential option that came in with this pouch. It is an organic cotton pouch. They just place it directly on the shipping box, and this is how it looks. And I love it more than the box that they have. I mean, most of the time I just throw the box away, but I think I could reuse this pouch right here. Yeah, you could use it as a dust bag, or you could store anything in here. So I just find this addition of the wrapping option so cute. So this is the drawstring in it. It's in black, and the material actually, it's pretty good though, the material. So yeah, and also here's the Chanel logo right here, and it seems that I'm not sure if this one, they just ironed this one, but actually it was very well done though. I don't think this will rub off. I don't think so, because I'm touching it right now. Yeah, it was pretty well done, and this is how it looks right here at the bottom. And I really like the simplicity of it, just like all white and then the Chanel logo right there. And let me show you what I've got. So this is the packaging. This is how it looks, the packaging inside. So we have the stuffing right there to protect the box, and here's the item. And also, I actually ordered some samples as well. Okay, the samples are right here. So usually with the classic box that they have, the black and white box, they put it in a little black pouch. But with this packaging, they just put it directly into the bag. And I got the gel right here, and then also the cream right here. So yeah, they have these options at checkout. So this is the new wrapping options that you could see on the Chanel website. And also, you could personalize the package with a gift message. If you wanted to include a card, a blank card, you could do that, or you could write a gift message as well. And also the exclusive samples. So yeah, they gave you a selection. So right now they have mascaras, they have the Eau de Parfum spray, the gel, the one that I've got right here. So you got that options at checkout. So if you wanted to get the samples, or if you don't want to include the samples, there's an option, that one as well, at the checkout. And also in this order, it's just regular shipping. I'm not in a rush at all, but when I placed my order later in the afternoon, it has been fulfilled. I got the tracking number, And it got here, I think, in a couple of days though. So it was very quick and it was so fast. However, my sister, her order hasn't arrived yet. Some of her orders. She ordered last October 18th. I think the one that has a liquid, I think that was with a nail polish. That one hasn't been fulfilled yet. It was still on hold, but I don't know why. Probably because that is only good for ground shipping because of the nature of the product. So that's probably why, or it was placed on hold because they're still like waiting for the warehouse to fulfill all the orders that they have. But all I know is that some of her orders that were placed in October 18 were on hold for some reason. So anyway, I totally love this packaging, guys. It's actually pretty big though. So let me just take out all, you see the stuffing in here? And let's just take out this pouch right here. Yeah, you could definitely fit this one inside. It is pretty big, just to give you a size reference though. So let me just put that one back right there. And let me show you the items that I've got. Yeah, this is the lip gloss. They didn't have this at the store. I guess you guys already know what the lip gloss looks like from the collection though. So it came in with the red pouch, and then right here, and then yeah, the 3 glosses in here. And yeah, very nice. So yeah, I am still waiting for one more piece and I am complete. My gift for the holiday will be complete. So last year I did the same thing as well. I gifted them for Christmas and I guess everybody's happy with that. Love the packaging, and I think it's perfect for a holiday gift though, knowing that it starts for around $70 US to, I think it's 120 is the most expensive one if I'm not mistaken. I think it's worth it with the pouch and with those beauty sets in there. I think it's a perfect gift. And also, this is the second one that I've got. It has this drawstring as well. This one is a little bit smaller. So all the pouch that came in with this cotton pouch right here, this one is the smaller one, the organic cotton pouch. So yeah, the one that I've got, the samples were here. So this is the mascara samples, and the one that I've got, I think this is the bronzer set. And then with the kabuki brush, yeah, this is a bronzer set and with the kabuki brush, and it has also the red pouch in here. And let me get, this is just basically a follow-up video that about their packaging. I really love their new packaging. Look at that right here. Let me get the other one. Yeah, the other one is so much bigger compared to the one that I've got. Yeah, this one is so much bigger. The comparison right here. Yeah, this is so much bigger. So yeah, the sizing actually varies right here. Yeah, I could put this one inside, literally inside, just like that. Wow, very nice. Definitely lovely addition for the wrapping options. And just like that, of course they still use the shipping box as well. So this one, they would place this direct to a shopping, it's a shipping box. And yeah, I believe that, I don't know yet, I don't have the information when this beauty set will be released in other stores. But all I know that this one is pretty much like sold out at the boutique and also at the website. But who knows? If you really wanted this, you might want to check out the website from time to time. They may update their inventory any time of the day, so they might update it periodically anytime. So if you got lucky, you might get a hands in one of these. And yeah, if you are interested in getting this pouch right here, so all you have to do, like I've mentioned earlier, you can choose this as the wrapping options, and I think it's nice. It's actually very well made. I was trying to look at the stitching around. It seems like it is very well done though. It's not like, it doesn't seem to look or feel cheap at all. So it says right here, 100% cotton, not for sale. Chanel Beauty. This one is made in, right there, this is made in China. However, it's nice. I think very nice. Yeah, they did such a great job on this holiday. No, it's just not a holiday pouch. This this cotton pouch right here. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is a limited edition wrapping that they have. I'm also not sure if, yeah, maybe this is permanent. I'm not 100% sure, but all I know that when I placed my order a few days ago, I was able to see this option, the essential option of gift wrapping. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.